Just tell us where Imran Khan is exactly right now and where his supporters.
Thousands of people have gathered to welcome Imran Khan. We can't get close to it because 5,000 policemen have been brought in. There is an apprehension that the government is trying to lure Imran Khan so that they can arrest him. If they do arrest him, then there's going to be trouble all across the country because of the popularity that he enjoys across Pakistan, and he's also won 30 of the 37 by-elections. So indeed, the government is afraid that Imran Khan's support is growing, and they're now looking for an excuse to bring him down.
Kamal, while Imran Khan was making his way to Islamabad, there were reports coming through that police had entered his home in Lahore. What more can you tell us about that?
Apparently, as soon as Imran